What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today it's going to be pretty cool. Today we're going to be just doing a little caravan to Cars and Coffee in LA. I think on the way there I'm going to do a little GoPro or like POV footage. So for right now it's just going to be me, Jirath, and Anthony caravanning to Arnold's house. And then from Arnold's house we're going to head over. Oh, look at him! You're vlogging now, huh? Hi Jirath.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You got the GoPro ready?
Boom.
Oh
Boom.
yeah, Jirath blessed it out too. Oh,
Just for him.
Ah.
We're on our way to Arnold's house. That's it. Bye bye now.
Bye bye now.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? And that's Arnold. I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro footage. Hopefully this works well.
How are you even going
I don't know. How'd I look?
You stupid.
All right. Hopefully you guys can see. Hi. Hi. Oh my gosh. What's going on? I don't even know if the GoPro can hear me, but if you guys can hear me, hello. This is actually like hurting my nose. I don't know how people do this. So if I didn't say it already, we're going to Eagle Rock Cars and Coffee. It started at 8. It's already 8:30, but it says it's gonna only take us like 20 minutes to get there. So hopefully it doesn't take us too long. That way we can still make it. I think we made it. Oh, oh wow. Look at all those cars. There's a lot of cars here. I don't even think we're gonna find parking. Wait, where are we going? So we finally made it to the meet. Hopefully we can see whatever's left. I mean, there's still a good amount of cars, but I'll show you guys. Oh, here's the S2000s with Anthony. Why didn't you park here? Damn, look at this giant wing.
Hey, so this is the old
The APR.
19 early.
OG Honda badge.
Yeah. Hey, nah, this is TJ Hunt, bro. You can tell.
Oh damn, TJ Hunt. Another M3. Oh, I love this. This is what I want on the M3. I want this CSL. This CSL trunk. It looks so good. Look at this S14. I've always wanted one, honestly. I wouldn't mind picking one up for like a little drift build or something. That's crazy. So clean with the USDM front bumper too. Look at Anthony, he's just drooling all over these S2000s. Dude, look at this thing, it's insane. What? That's insane. How do you even drive that thing? That looks so cool. Ooh, look at this NSX. Damn, there's so many cars here. It's like filling up this whole parking lot all the way to like, all the way down there. We still have so much to see. Look, he's already going crazy. Oh, look, a dog. Oh, damn. Oh, get that window fix. Dude, TE heaven. We have the Aston Martin with the TE37s. We have the F80 with the TE37s. Crazy. Look at that. Oh, these are so nice. I want to get them so bad for the M3. Look at them. Oh, this GC8. I love these Subarus. They're so clean. This is the hot rod. It's insane. Oh, there's a bottle. That's crazy.
He has bitching on the hair.
Bitchin'. Dude, this thing is insane. Look at it. Bro, there's like no seats. What is that? That is crazy. Oh my god. This is so clean. Dude, I want a Porsche so bad. Oh, this GT3. Not a GT3 RS, but I like it. Look at this Mini Cooper with this Honda engine. That's insane. I bet this thing would be so fun to drive. We have all the Mercedes over here. Oh, look at these wagons. That is crazy. Jeff's car. Sick. This color's so nice. Look at, hey, follow him. The Apex wheels. It's so clean with it. You can see the carbon fiber right here. That's Jeff. If you've seen Throttle's videos, this is the same exact one that they worked on. Oh, that's crazy.
Not the cleanest under there, but
Oh, I love the E90, the 4-door M3s. I want one so bad. Hopefully next after the E46, I'm getting one of these. So clean. I love this color. That's so dope. That's pretty much it. Everybody's clearing out for the day. We have Arnold's FRS. So fucking clean. Oh, with those Advans. They're so dope. We'll do a quick walk around just so you can see. Oh. What is this? I think we have our first sponsorship for the channel. From Arnold. Damn, he actually brought it? I thought it didn't fit in the car. Alright, you gotta help me. I can't do this. I gotta film. Arnold got us a little sponsorship gift to help out with the M3. We're about to see what it is. What could it be? What could it be? What could it be?
ready?
What is it? Yeah, I'm ready. Ooh. You got the brand new floor mats. Let's go. Thank you, Arnold. Thank you. Thank you. Shout out to Arnie. I'll put his Instagram right here so you can
We'll
see.
leave his phone number and an Instagram.
His phone number and his Instagram.
His social security.
That's dope. At least now we have clean ones.
I know, right?
Ours are all messed up. So yeah, shout out to Arnold for that. Hey, good looking, good looking. so that's pretty much it for the Cars and Coffee meeting. I think we're just gonna go
Now we're going to coffee.
we're gonna go get Phil's coffee and then
I really
probably get some
only
food at
came
home.
for coffee.
She only came for coffee. She didn't even care about the cars. Alright, so we decided to just pull over. The vlog's been kind of choppy as of right now, but we ended up getting Phil's coffee and now we're just gonna go get some food. And I think that's pretty much gonna be it for the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed the content and saw all the cool cars that we saw at Cars and Coffee. Hopefully I want to do more POV driving in like Angeles Crest or in the canyons and stuff like that, but yeah,
It's so good, bro.
that's good.
What the heck? What is it called? The Mint Mojito and the Tesoro? Dumb.
Oh, the coffee. I was like, what?
Do you double fisting for that?
Yeah, because he doesn't drink
I had a
it.
double. Nah, Geno was
I
double
couldn't
fisting.
drink it. If I drink coffee on an empty stomach, I'll die. Shout out to Arnold for sponsoring the build and giving us those fresh and clean M3 floor mats, dude. They're gonna look so much better. We're gonna throw them on once we do a full detail of the car and get everything ready so it just looks brand new. So yeah, pretty much we're just gonna go ahead and get food right now and just call it a day. Appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.